on, everybody, get your feet happy. Let's go, come on. Where my islanders? Can some of y'all run down here to the front real quick? I gotta know who's in the building. Where my islanders? I need y'all to run down here. Come on, let me see ya.
You learn about how the vehicles move. When it is given the momentum to move, it is given the ability to keep on moving. We have given you the ability to keep on moving. Where you are, I'm telling you, you can get the first grade. Keep on moving. Keep on studying. Is that fine? Yeah. Obstacles, they challenge me to keep on. Obstacles challenge me to do what? Let it. Obstacles challenge you to keep on. Let hard numbers challenge you to keep on solving more numbers. Is that okay? I want to say I love you so much.
That everything is possible. We trust God. Isn't it? Let us clap for our parents for making us look smart. Thank you for looking. You are looking wow. Eh?
Speed! Speed! Amafuta kendi mubagaita speed ozimata nyumba emyaka munana wetaga speed ozimata nyumba emyaka munana kusabira speed wano watusubize mbaga tulize netukowa wetaga speed buli ali kuchitanda kayimba wekana gwera ndaira nangiriro wone ku speed twayingira Kampala tetulina chakulya netuwanike emikono Katonda wa speed n'abali batulo batulengera mu Kampala ne bakolima bikolimo tebitukwata yangirira speed Katonda wa speed buli chokola kiyita mate ku speed twayitira manju besije ku polisi bulira amafuta ga speed mwana wa nya bulira amafuta ga speed mwana wa sebo twala speed
Every day that you count and that goes by, make sure you learn new strategies, new methods, and develop a positive attitude that you are going to do what? To get a first grade. And don't look at passing, look at excelling. Because everyone can pass, but not everyone can excel. We want first grades.
Yeah, the honest truth is There is no one who has made it on top without being persistent. Every one of them had to push on. Did you see these kids, these children the students from Kingston? Me, I was amazed how they danced the whole lunchtime. That is more than 30 minutes of dance. What does that mean? I'm sure that you invested a lot of time to make that possible. I know you've also done a lot to make yourself better. Yeah? But do not give up. Do not what? Keep on. Keeping on. Like our director said, though me I'm going to bring the statement from a bit higher. There is someone who once said, if you cannot fly, do you know what flying is? If you can't fly like a bird, you run. Yeah? If you feel flying is very hard for you, do what? Yes? If you cannot run, walk. Just what you think, when I run, I can't have at least do what? Yeah? And if you cannot walk, you're not the guy. They say, crawl. And I can assure we have seen very many lame people who don't have legs to walk. What do they always do? They always crawling. But this person says, no matter what happens, keep on moving. Keep on what? No matter what happens, do what? Now why am I saying this? Now let me put it in language you understand. All of you for the last almost one whole year, you've been fighting hard to get a certain grade in one subject or all of everything, but you've not gotten it yet. Does that mean you give up? No. Keep on moving. It is not over until it's what? The only way you can say it is over, even when I can't say it's still over, because something can still happen after in your period exam. You may get the best results you've ever received.
That we love, hey, hey. One in a million, the body move it so spiritually, yeah. One in a million, the body move it so spiritually, yeah, yeah.